How do you take a screenshot on Mac? It is very easy. Let me tell you how to do it. To take a screenshot, first you need to press Command, then Shift and then 3. And then you can see a screenshot has appeared. You need to press and hold Command and Shift. Don't forget about that. If you just let it go, it's not going to take a screenshot. If you want to take a screenshot of a partial area on your screen, you can do that as well. You just have to press Command plus Shift plus 4. And then let's say I want to take a picture of these widgets over here in this corner. And you can see this picture, it is just the widgets or a particular part of my screen. Now it can be a very little box on the entire screen and it will still become a screenshot. So that is very useful as well. But if you press Control, Command, Shift and 3, you can hear a screenshot noise, but it is not actually going to save the screenshot. Instead, let's say for example, so in this case I've come to notes. Now if I press Command plus V, which is the shortcut for pasting anything on Mac, so you can see a screenshot has appeared, but it has not actually saved itself anywhere on the desktop. So once this screenshot is gone from the clipboard, so if you don't want to store the screenshot all the time, like I have done here, and make your desktop or whichever folder a bit messy, you can use this as well. Now it also works for partially screenshotting. So I can again press Control, Command, Shift and 4. It is a bit handful or fingerful if you will, but let's say I want to take a picture of the dog. It has taken a partial screenshot, it has not saved anything. And then again I'll go to notes, I'll just make it a bit bigger and then I'll paste it under that or over it. So here you can see I've pasted a partial screenshot as well and the entire screenshot as well. So you can do that. It's very convenient if you know the keyboard shortcuts. Well, if you don't want to work with the keyboard shortcuts or if you don't want to remember all these things, you can also press Command Shift 5. And you can see there is a screenshot option over here. Now it will also show you video recording settings. I'll put that on the screen. I'll put a screenshot of it. So for now it is just showing me screenshot options. So I can capture the entire screen. A selected window, as you can see, it's just taken the picture and not the widgets or folders. And let me press Command Shift 5 again. And it can also select a partial part of your display or your screen. So it is very convenient, and if you want to record screen, you can also do that with the same menu, which is going to be Command Shift 5. Hopefully you find this video very helpful. If you have any doubts, do